Hi, my name is Rients and I'm from Vox Singing Academy, and I wanted to speak about making your rapping as best as you possibly can today. So last week I spoke about the 4 best ways of improving your rapping. Today I wanted to go into more detail with the first way, which was mouth placement. So mouth placement, that'll give us a more bright over a dull sound. So if we're opening up our mouth a lot more, that'll help us convey our message. It'll help us get good pronunciation so everyone can understand what we're talking about, and that will make you the best rapper ever. So, the first way I want to improve your mouth placement today is if we work on warming up. So warming up our mouth so we're ready to go right from the start. So when I drop my jaw like this and open up and show my top and bottom front teeth, and I'm stretching out as much as I can, stretching my lips, I'm really working all these muscles and stretching them out. So now I can feel that I'm ready to go. My mouth's ready to work, yeah? So I'm really flexible. So that's done. We're nice and warmed up. Now let's go and work on the 5 vowels. So we have 5 different vowels. This is each vowel has a different shape. So we've got A, E, I, O, U, or air, C, heart, soul, U. So we're going to look at each of those in a bit more detail. Air, we're going to just relax on air. Air. And then C, we drop the jaw and it's round. C, and we open up like that. Then we've got art, which is a smile. Art. And then we've got soul, which is oval, drop the jaw. Soul. And then U is a little pucker, a little dot. U. Yeah? Okay. So we can use these vowels pretty much in any language, any sound. They're pretty much covered by those 5 vowels. So that's super important. Now let's go and do an example of that. Like we can go and do an exercise that's going to help these things. So we're going to start from here, and we're going to go A, C, heart, soul, U. So we're doing each one of these vowels. Here we go. A, C, heart, soul, U. Singing along. A, C, heart, soul, U. Opening up. A, C, heart, soul, U. Okay, so that's really great for getting your mouth working. Now we want to apply this always to a song. So for example, I'm going to do one of my songs. I'm going to do some rapping in one of my songs, and you can see how much I'm using my mouth. So here we go. Living the life and taking the time for being with mine. Yeah, all of this will I stay in line. Grab my guitar, she's happy when I get out the rust. Never jealous when I choose to harmonize. Now what you say, guys, players gonna devastate. Some people put it down to the inebriate. So if you ever stick it down into some puppy's pie, just take some medication cause you're about to say goodbye. So yeah, I'm really working my mouth there, yeah? Alright, cool. Now, we're going to work on next week. I'm going to release another video, and that's going to be focusing on volume, the second of the most important things to help you out with your rapping game. So stay tuned to see that, and I will see you then. Bye.